Welcome to the Washington, D.C. MarketWatch, brought to you by
CAMARA and Company.
Let's take a look at the most recent market activity in the nation's capital. Nationally, house prices are now rising at an annual rate of between 4% and 5%. While existing home sales fell slightly, pending home sales, an indicator of future sales activity, inched up. Separately, new home starts and new home sales both experienced mild declines. Nonetheless, new home sales have had their best back-to-back months since mid-2008. Employment growth continues to pleasantly surprise, while wage growth remains stubbornly flat despite a strong decline in the unemployment rate to 5.5%. Though the district remains one of the strongest seller markets in the nation, sales activity isn't keeping up with last year's pace so far in 2015. New pending contracts dipped less than 1% in February, though the 623 new pending sales total is 3% above the 5-year February average. There were 450 closed sales in February. While this is a significant 9% drop from last year, it's 8 more sales than the 5-year average for the month. Despite a significant uptick in new listings added in February, available inventory in the district remains exceedingly tight and is not keeping up with buyer demand. There were 970 active listings at month's end, 1% lower than February 2014 and 28% off the 5-year February average level. The 735 new listings added in February were 9% more than the number added last year, marking the first time in the last 5 months with more new sellers entering the market. At $499,500, the median sale price was up 7% compared to last year and was the highest February level on record. Half the homes sold were on market for less than 3 weeks. Though the median days on market was unchanged from last February, the 20-day mark was still the lowest level in the entire MRAS region. A strong seller's market continues to drive up prices and keep days on market down in the district. Even with increases in the number of sellers entering the market in February, historically low supply continues to put upward pressure on the district's prices. That's the Washington, D.C. Market Watch for this month. Check back next month for the latest.